Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. This week's tutorial is going to be about paper mache jewelry. I'm going to show you how to make paper mache earrings. For the best DIY creative content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. This week, I want to make some paper mache earrings. I know all things paper mache. This is what essentially I want them to look like. So for our paper mache earrings, I have rolled out my paper mache. I've made it thicker than I made my initial tester. I made it about this thick and a little bit flattened out just to kind of get it smooth. I've already actually done my placement because I wanted to see where I can put my earrings. So I'll make them out, cut them out here. And then I also wanted to see where I can put my circular part, which will be here. One thing I did not mark was my hole on this one, but that's okay. We can do that later, okay? So that's the way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just take it off now because I wanted to show you. Okay, so once you're done making your cutouts, you could literally take your little device and make your ends look really nice and square them, push all the paper mache in, okay? Then I'm going to take off this portion because I did forget to put and I'm gonna put this on, oops. Comment down below and let me know if you would try making paper mache earrings. And you're going to take out the inside. Make sure that you're not like taking too much of the insides out. Okay. This portion here, when I did my pattern, I did it incorrectly because you want this top portion to be a little bit thicker so that it's able to hold the earring and the two or one circle that you're gonna have in here. So what I'm gonna do with mine is I'm gonna flatten it. I'm gonna make this square. I'm gonna make it look really nice. And then I'm gonna go back in and where the I can't remember what they're called, the little circle hoops for the earrings, where they're gonna go, I'm going to actually just make it a little bit thinner and poke my hole so that I don't have to use a big huge hoop. I can use a small D and make them look elegant. Put saran wrap on it because it's gonna stick on here if you don't. Now that you know how to make papier-mâché jewelry, the papier-mâché earrings that I showed you, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you are looking to join a group of creative minds like yourself, I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY and fashion content. You can check out the link in the description box. Got any of my papier-mâché tutorials next and my upcoming papier-mâché tutorial next week. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.